Oh! Ay, ko diba?
What's he waiting for? Here he goes.
Wallet in there. Okay, and we'll sort it out later. Okay, don't get in Ian's way, he's filming. Go over there. That's it. And you're meant to be going to warm up, otherwise you'll be in trouble with Shahar. Juliana as well. Okay, get your sticks and warm up. And Andre. Where is Andre?
No, I went slower that time.